So this is the a headlamp lift motor for a Ferrari. It might be a 400i, could be a variety of different vehicles. They're all BOSCH motors with a gearhouse transmission assembly that travels 180 degrees and 180 degrees. You can see the motor operating by watching the spin of the motor here. The problem with this is twofold. One, they use a gasket on the inside that's kind of a rubberized material, and this stuff just crumbles and falls off and gets into the between the three brushes in there that roll on a metallic commutator, and this rubber vulcanizes itself to the face of the plate there and causes them to go bad. This particular one actually had rust on the three tracks for the brushes. The diodes in it were okay, so it probably didn't have the winking headlamp syndrome. When we tested it here on arrival, it had no reaction whatsoever, meaning no conductivity through the brushes. But we've cleaned it all off, and we replaced the diodes as a matter of course. Go ahead and operate it. Now we have to put our thumb on the wheel here in order to put enough resistance on it as though we were dealing with the resistance of the lifting of the headlamp mechanism. Otherwise, it throws itself into the next action. So as you can see, he's doing just like the switch does. He's activating the motor. And again, it threw itself into the other action because he has to put his thumb on there to slow it down as though it were actually lifting a headlamp. But there we go. It goes 180 degrees and 180 degrees when activated. So, yeah, this thing's repaired. Thank you.